turn it on. And there it is. My easier to read on. This one, I guess we can. We are back. This is usually how we start the videos. Well, how we used to start the videos. So right here's the car. And you guys are probably gonna be shocked. I don't really know, but this thing does have the license plates and everything. I'm sure you guys noticed that. But this car has been on the road for like over a year now. Like this car's been done. We've been driving this, and like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just wanted to warn you guys. While I was working and like been super busy, honestly, I don't like to take on like, I don't like to do a lot of things at one time. So when I'm working like a lot of hours, like close to 60 hours a week, I just like, I don't know, I can't really do a lot of things at once. I kind of got behind on the videos and the uploads, but here it is. It's done. It's still not painted or anything. I don't think we're gonna paint it. I think we'll wash the car real quick, and then we'll probably do a walk around, and I'll show you guys what it's looking like and everything installed. And then maybe I'll do another video, and we'll do a walkthrough, a complete walkthrough of the car, and show you guys everything we've done from like day one up until now. And then maybe I'll do another video, which will probably be like a 10-minute video, just like the RSX one, of the entire build, just so you guys can see everything. So it's right here. Let's go ahead and clean it real quick. We'll take it outside, go for a drive. Yeah, that's another thing. We'll take it for a drive just so you guys can see it. And yeah, the car's far from perfect. It's a shell that we bought really cheap, and if you guys have been following the build, you guys probably already know that. So let's go ahead, wash this thing real quick, and then bring it outside, and I'll give you guys a little walk around. We'll go for a drive, give you a walk around. Yeah. All right, the car's all cleaned up. It's far from perfect, like I said. It just has some rust right there. You could probably even see the Bondo coming out. I'll show you guys how it's driving and everything. Let me show you both sides. It looks good. From like 10 feet away, it looks really good. I got my camera and all that stuff with me because it's been months and this car's been done. Here's the interior. Bring this outside. There's the air fuel. Not bad. Got a little double den, little sneak peek. Let's bring this outside. I gotta close the door real quick, guys. Give me a sec. All right, I closed the door, and this car looks good from 10 feet away. All right, let's go. Let's go drive to the spot. I do have my GoPro. Kind of a mess down there. I do have my GoPro, and damn, I should put it on. Honestly, that would take too long. Let's just go for a drive. There's like zero problems. Pool's pretty good. I'm running a base map, so see if I could. There we go. That's probably a better view right there. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. But yeah, no grinds. Car's driving really good. I've had zero issues for a year now. Zero issues. Let's go this way. This car pulls, man. It's pretty good. It's a light car. I don't know if this car is lighter than the RSX. I think it is. So hopefully I'm doing a pretty good job showing you guys, because it's hard to, like, you know, drive with one hand and shift and all that and hold the camera. So just a quick walkthrough, show you guys the inside. And the next video I'll go into like every detail, every single thing we did to this car. So some of the covers on the bottom, they go underneath like the dash and stuff are over here. That panel I gotta throw back on. That panel I gotta throw back on. Yeah, and then all that right there I gotta just put that away. But for the next video I'll make sure it's nice and clean for you guys. So there it is. Got the wheels on. And again guys, I apologize for taking so long to put a video out. Just been, you know, life happens. So that's the car, and it looks good here, but you know, it does have its flaws. Bunch of dents everywhere. Might be hard to see because it's like red paint and stuff, but yeah, this is it. I already want to start another build. You guys are like super way behind. So I like the sleeper look too that it has, you know what I'm saying. Over here though, I put the RSX, like, I forgot what they're called, like hood dampers I think, and I have to like cut it a little bit right here to make sure it fits, well, just to make it fit like on the EM2 without the hood raising like that. So that's me, because I put this. But if I were to cut like the fender a little bit on the inside where it sits, I wouldn't have that issue. But I don't know, just been lazy. Let me know what you guys think. It'd be nice to put some lips on here and stuff, but honestly, I don't know how far or how long we're gonna keep this car, because I don't know. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to like build a car, you know what I'm saying? Maybe sell it, use those funds to build another one, you know? But she's driving really good. There's the Brembos over here. There's the clearance, pretty big clearance, and then these wheels fit really perfect. I got the car aligned and everything. I'm sure you guys saw that in the beginning of this video. But yeah, that's where we're at. Fender liners are still on there too. So it's really cool how this car came together the way it did. I'm sure you guys also saw how I did the headliner, just like the RSX, painted it black. Actually made it look better because the old one was all stained up and I couldn't even clean it, so why not just paint it? Yeah, man. Do a better walk around. See if I can get out of this zoom, give you guys like a regular view. I'm gonna take a few pictures and upload this video. Like I said, I'll have a few more uploads, and that'll be that for this car, at least for now. The background's pretty cool too. They got all these crops growing. This will be a nice picture right here. So I'm actually grab my camera and take a couple pictures for you guys. But yeah, scratch right here. Like I said, this car isn't perfect at all. It got like keyed on the side, scratched here. But it's a miracle this car is still on the road, honestly. Looks good, man. All right, I don't know why, but my phone keeps freezing. Like I said, this car is far from perfect. I don't know everything. I'm still learning as I build different cars, and maybe I'll move on to something else. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I haven't been really active on the channel, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this series if you have been watching it from the beginning. Hopefully this helped a lot of people out there that are thinking about doing the same swap. It's not really that hard. I learned just from like forums and other people's videos. Well, not really, honestly. I did ask a few other people, so shout outs to them, whoever helped me, if I asked any questions. And that's it, man. I think I've broken this car down, pretty much everything, man. Everything I've done to this car, I've broke it down. I don't think anyone's done any content like this before, where they just like do like 30-part episode of a build like this. But I don't know, there it is. That's my way of doing it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Other than that, man, we'll be working on the RSX again. I am doing something special to the RSX. I'm switching it up completely, so hopefully you guys like that. I don't know what else to say. I think I've said everything I'd had to say about this car, man. So I'm gonna go home, edit this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. And I don't know, just look out for random uploads from me. You guys know how to reach out to me on Instagram or whatever. So yeah, there it is, guys. Enjoy it. I'll see you guys, I don't know, on my next upload. Bye.